Hey you guys, hey, so today I wanted to show you guys how you can make any PDF fillable. And we're going to be using one tool, and it's 100% free tool. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I want you guys to be able to take the PDFs that you're offering to your audience and make it fillable so that way they can fill it out on their tablet, their phone, their laptop, any device that they have, and it'll be super easy, super fun, and definitely 100% free. So let's do this. I'm just going to turn my camera around, and I want you guys to let me know if you guys can see my computer. Definitely let me know if you can't see it, but I hope you guys can. So I'm showing you, this is a PDF that I got from Shenelle Porter, and she is an amazing business coach, you guys. Definitely go check out her page. Pretty sure her Instagram handle is I am Shenelle Porter. I'll make sure I put it in the comment section for you guys so you guys can see it. But she offers a goal setting worksheet that's free on her page. And it's really great because you guys can outline your goals, your actions, your steps, the date that you got it accomplished, keep you guys nice and organized. So if you want this goal setting worksheet, definitely go to her page and check it out. But this is the example that we are going to be using. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to save this worksheet. So I'm going to save it. I already have it saved, so it's going to pop up as a 2 here. But let's save it. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go to Google and we are going to type in PDF Escape. Okay, so that's PDF Escape. Let me know if I am talking too fast. But it's pdfescape.com, and they have a free PDF editor and form filler. It's 100% free. You don't have to, even though it says sign up in my account, you don't have to sign up. You don't have to make an account. The only requirement is that it's at least 10 megabytes, so nothing above that. And some PDFs are a little bit larger, so you might have to compress the file. But this PDF that we're using is not, so we are going to upload it. Boom. Oops, I think I uploaded the wrong one. I had already done this one, so let's go back. So let's upload this one. Boom. Okay. So if you guys can see it on here, this is the goal setting worksheet. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to this left-hand side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Definitely let me know if you can't. But I know it's really tempting to type text because, I mean, you're going to add text to it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to form field. So we're going to click on form field. And we're going to be dealing with these first two options here. Text is just going to be one line of text, which is what we're going to use first. But when you want it to be a paragraph, we're going to use text paragraph. So we're going to select text. We're going to hit select. Hey. And we are going to follow directions here because it says click and drag on page to insert a new object. So we're going to click here and we're going to drag. Boom. And if you want to change the settings of the text, you can go up here to settings if you want to change the name of it, or if you want to change the alignment to centered or right. I like these settings, so I'm just going to keep them the way they are. But I am going to change the font. So I want my font to be Verdana, and I'm going to change the size to 18 because 12 is just a little bit too small for me. And boom. So next we are going to do it again because I already have it saved, so you don't have to go back and hit form field again. You can just click and drag again on the next line that you want to make. And if you need to edit it like I do here, then you just click on these little black handlebars on the side and you're going to pull it down. And we're going to do it again down here. Okay, so next we're going to go down to the goal, and we are going to hit form field again over here on the left. And we're going to hit not text, we're going to hit text paragraph because we want it to be a paragraph, so remember. And I am actually going to, after I put this in here, I'm going to change the size of it. I want my text to be a little bit bigger when it comes to the goal, so I might change this to 20. Which, if you want to do a little preview of how the text is going to look to your audience whenever they go to type in here, you can type text and just click anywhere. It's already on that, and we'll type in goal. So that's how big it would be. But I don't want to keep this, so we're going to delete it. But that's a good way to preview the text and how it's going to look in the boxes. So we're going to go back to form field, text paragraph, select, and we're going to do it again for the next goal. And then again for the last one here. I just wanted to make this video super easy for you guys. Not getting too in-depth with the other settings that we have here. I'll probably save that for another video and going in-depth with all of the settings that they have on PDF Escape. But we're going to go down to actions and steps, and we're going to do the same thing because remember, we're already saved. Now, I am going to actually make the text here just a little bit smaller, so we're going to take it back down to 18. And again, don't worry about making it perfect up here because we can always go back and change it. We're going to do it again on this side. And on this one. Okay. So now that that's done, let's go to date accomplished. And they don't have a date form field or anything like that. So we're just going to use text. Hit select. And I'll probably, after I insert this in here, make this text just a little bit smaller and center it. So we're going to take it from here. And I think I'm going to want this text to be centered. Okay, and we're going to make it just a little bit smaller. Let's take it down to 16. I like to keep it even if you guys haven't noticed. And then we're going to go to the next one. Remember, we don't have to be perfect. Okay. So now that that is done, you have completed making this fillable. Woohoo. So now we're just gonna go over here and save it. We're not just gonna hit save document because if you just hit save, it's gonna save it actually in this software. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit not save. Let me move the camera over a little bit. Not save document, but if you guys can see where I'm highlighting here where it says save and download PDF, that way it pops up in your downloads folder. Want to hit that. And it popped up down here for me because I'm on a Mac. And then we're going to go over, you're going to hit this, I don't know if you guys seen that, we're going to hit this little arrow button over here and hit open. And now your PDF is fillable. So if you click here, let's say my goal is to make $1,000 this month. Then we have that here, and you can type, remember, the whole way down the line. It'll stop all the way down at the bottom there. Just remember to delete that before you share it with your audience. But yep, that was really all it took. And let's just double check here to make sure that everything is working the way we want it to. So we have this one, and let's just put a date. Right. So as you can see, this is centered here. because remember we put it as centered. So everything seems to be working the way it needs to. So now your audience can fill this out on any of their devices, whether it be a tablet, a phone, laptop. And all you have to do is go back up here and let me move this over. All you have to do is go back over here to this download button and download it. Choose where you want it to download and hit save. So, I know this video was super short, but I really hope that it was helpful. I just wanted to show you guys this again because I know you guys offer PDFs to your audience. They're a great way to capture leads, and this actually kind of entices them to download it more because now they'll be able to edit it anywhere. So I also want to let you guys know that I am going to be starting a YouTube channel for my DIYers out there. So on my YouTube channel, I'll be giving tips and tutorials on WordPress, how to get started with WordPress, online marketing, and graphic and brand design, especially for you guys just starting your businesses, making sure that you're following the right guidelines and using the right tools. So I'm super excited for that, and I'll actually be uploading this video. If it looks the way I want it to, I'll be uploading this video onto YouTube. If not, then I'll definitely make sure I upload it to IGTV for you guys. So you guys can see it, and when I end it, I'm gonna try to make sure that I save it. This is my first live, so be patient with me. But I know this video was short, but I really hope it was helpful. And thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Bye.